Good morning students. Today we will discuss the MCQ question answers of the 4th chapter India and the World. I will repeat the questions and with that I will read the options and I will dictate the right option. First question. She was one of the first female graduates from India during British Empire. She was also the first South Asian female physician to be trained in Western medicine. She was the daughter of Brahmo reformer Brojakishore Basu. Identify her. And the options are with image it is there. Option A, Sucheta Kriplani. Option B, Anandi Gopal Joshi. Option C, Chandramukhi Basu. And option D, Kadambini Ganguly. And the right option is option D, Kadambini Ganguly. Next question. In which of the following countries Chanu a cultural activity involving the ceremonial preparation and presentation of matcha powered green tea takes place? And the options are option A, Vietnam, option B, Thailand, option C, Japan, option D, Myanmar. And the right option is option C, Japan. Next question. The city of Nimes in France gives its name to this popular fabric which is said to have been produced here first. Name the fabric. And the options are option A, gabardine, option B, tuli, option C, denim, option D, damask. And the right option is option C, denim. Next question. The state emblem of Nagaland as shown features this majestic animal in it. Its scientific name is Bos frontalis. Identify this animal. And the options are option A, yak, option B, Indian bison, option C, nilgai, option D, Brahman bull. And the right option is option B, Indian bison. Next question. This 7-layered pudding is a delicacy in Goa, Portugal, and other former Portuguese colonies all over the world. Name it. And the options are option A, Yakuti or Zakoti, option B, Peach Melba, option C, Vindaloo, option D, Bevinca. And the right option is option D, Bevinca. Next question. Epithets are unique names given to places. They are usually based on some special feature that showcases the place. For example, Loose Green, Ireland is called the Emerald Isle. Which country is called the land of the Golden Pagoda? And the options are option A, Thailand, option B, Myanmar, option C, Malaysia, option D, Indonesia. And the right answer is option B, Myanmar. Next question. Although George Washington was the first US president, he was not the first to live in White House. Who was the first president to inhabit the White House in 1800? And the options are given with a very nice images of the people. Option A, Grover Cleveland. Option B, Thomas Jefferson. Option C, John Adams. Option D, Ronald Reagan. And the right option is option C, John Adams. Next question. Führer is a German word meaning leader or guide. As a political title, it is most associated with a well-known and much hated political figure. Name this. And the options are option A, Benito Mussolini, option B, Adolf Hitler, option C, Mao Zedong, option D, Emperor Hirohito. And the right option is option B, Adolf Hitler. Next question. She is a civil rights and political activist from Manipur. She began a hunger strike in 2000 demanding the withdrawal of the controversial Armed Forces Special Powers Act in her home state, which she ended after 16 years of fasting. She has been called the world's longest hunger striker and is popularly called the Iron Lady. Who is she? And the options are option A, Manushi Pradhan, option B, Erom Chanu Sarmila, option C, Pramila Nesargi, option D, Asra Nomani. And the right option is option B, Irom or Irom Chanu Sharmila. Next question. This French statistical magazine was the target of a brutal terrorist attacks in 2015 by Islamic terrorists, presumably in response to a number of controversial Prophet Muhammad cartoons it published. 12 people were killed, including the editor Charb. Name the magazine. And the options are option A Stern, option B Ogi, option C Charlie Hebdo, option D Paris Match. And the right option is option C Charlie Hebdo. Next question. The Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI is an Indian central government agency. It was created with the objective to issue option A 8-digit unique identification number to all residents of India, option B e-passport to Indians, option C a 12-digit unique identification number to all residents of India, option D all of these. And the right answer is option C a 12-digit unique identification number to all residents of India. Next question. The flag featured in the given picture carries an assault rifle and AK-47 with the bayonet attached to the barrel crossed by the hoe superimposed on an open book. Name the country to which it belongs. And the options are option A Mozambique or Mozambique or Mozambique, option B Zambia, option C Libya, option D Eritrea. And the right answer is option A Mozambique. Next question. US millionaire Dennis Tito was first followed by South African internet magnate Mark Shuttleworth. They were followed by Tito's compatriot, electronics millionaire Gregory Olsen. What had these three gentlemen accomplished that will go down in the annals of history? And the options are option A, they made their first million before they are 20. Option B, they were space tourists. Option C, they were investors in Elon Musk's SpaceX program. Option D, none of this. And the right option is option B, they were space tourists. Next question. Each year, on the death anniversary of this famous saint, millions of devotees of all religions converge upon his grave in Ajmer to pay homage and ask for boons and blessings. Who is this saint? And the options are: option A, Nizamuddin Aulia; option B, Baba Farid; option C, Khwaja Moinuddin Christi; option D, Salim Christi. And the right answer is option C, Khwaja Moinuddin Christi. Next question. This Kashmiri dance is performed only by the main folk of the Watal tribe. They wear long colorful robes and tall conical caps studded with beads and cells. The songs on which the dancers perform are folk songs that are sung by them in chorus. Name the dance. And the options are: option A, Rauf; option B, Hikat; option C, Namagin; option D, Damhal. And the right option is option D, Damhal. Next question. Oslo is the capital of Norway. Which one of the following is an old name of Oslo? And the options are: option A, Mesopotamia; option B, Christiania; option C, Mohenjo-daro; option D, none of these. And the right option is option B, Christiania. Next question. The proposed Shivaji Memorial in the Arabian Sea in Mumbai will be the world's tallest statue at 192 meters when built. However, currently, which is the tallest statue in the world with a height of 153 meters, and where is it located? And the options are: option A, it is a statue of Buddha in Myanmar; option B, Spring Temple Buddha, China; option C, the Statue of Liberty, USA; option D, the Motherland Calls, Russia. And the right option is option B, the Spring Temple Buddha, China. Next question. Which of the following is the longest rail tunnel in the world? And the options are: option A, Channel Tunnel; option B, Gotthard Base Tunnel; option C, Yanata Tunnel; option D, Taihang Tunnel. And the right option is option B, Gotthard Base Tunnel. Next question. Who conceptualized India's first supercomputer? And the options which are given, it is given with image also. First option, option A, Suneet Singh Tuli. Option B, Vijay R. Vatkar. Option C, U.R. Rao. Option D, Subhas Mukhopadhyay. And the right option is Vijay P. Vatkar. Last question. He was one of the America's most influential civil rights activists. His passionate but non-violent protests helped to raise awareness of racial inequalities in America, leading to significant political change. A turning point in his life was the Montgomery bus boycott, which he helped to promote. Who was he? And the options are option A, Martin Luther King Jr. or Jr. Option B, Nelson Mandela. Option C, George Orwell. Option D, Paul McCartney. And the right option is option A, Martin Luther King Jr. So here are the 20 questions of the chapter 4, India and the World, with answers. Please go through this chapter properly, thoroughly. Coming up with the next chapter, Social Studies. Today up till this much only in this video. Good morning once again to all of you, and thank you.